Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the lymphatic drainage of stomach. So let's start with it. So as you can see in the diagram, there are four parts which are known as the territories of the stomach. So let's see how these territories are formed. Okay, so divide the stomach into right 2/3 and the left 1/3 part. ठीक, फिर जो ये right, this is your right side and this is your left side. Then the right side is again divided into upper 2/3 and the lower 1/3. And the left part is again divided into upper 1/3 and lower 2/3. Remember, right side का just उल्टा left है. वहाँ upper 2/3 था और left में lower 2/3 है. ठीक, so this is how the parts or territories of the stomach are formed. Now we have different set of lymph nodes which are present around the stomach, as you can see in this diagram. So first one is the left gastric node, which is present around the left gastric artery. Second is the pancreatico-splenic node, which is present around the splenic artery. Third one is the right gastroepiploic node, which is present around the right gastroepiploic artery. Then the pyloric node, which is present between the first and the second part of the duodenum. The right gastric node, which is present around the right gastric artery, and the celiac node, which is present around the celiac trunk. सारी के सारे जो lymph node है वो अपनी सेम नेम की आर्टरी की जगह पे ही ऑलमोस्ट प्रेजेंट है. ओके, then we have another set of lymph node which is present around the hepatic artery, so its name will be hepatic node. Okay, now we will see कि which part drain into which lymph node. So this was our right upper 2/3 part. It is draining its lymph into the left gastric node. Then this is your left upper 1/3 part. It is draining its lymph into pancreato-splenic node. Then we have the lower left 2/3 part. ये अपना lymph drain कर रहा है into the right gastroepiploic node, which further pass it to the pyloric node and then to the hepatic node, and from hepatic node to the celiac node finally. Okay, then we have the fourth part, which is the right lower 1/3 part. It can either drain its lymph into pyloric node or hepatic node or the left gastric node, but finally all the lymph node will drain their lymph into the celiac node. यानी अल्टीमेटली सारा का सारा जो lymph है वो कहाँ पहुंचेगा, वो celiac node में पहुंचेगा. So this was the lymphatic drainage of stomach. So ये lymphatic drainage की ही summary है. So the right upper 2/3 part drain its lymph into the left gastric node. The left upper 1/3 part drain its lymph into the pancreatico-splenic node. The left lower 2/3 part was draining its lymph into the right gastroepiploic node, which was passing it to the pyloric node, then to the hepatic node, and finally to the celiac node. Then we have the right lower 1/3 part, which mainly consists of the pylorus part. So it will drain its lymph into the pyloric node or to the hepatic node or to the left gastric node, but finally सारी की सारी जो lymph node हैं, they will drain their lymph into the celiac node, and from celiac node it will pass to the intestinal lymph trunk and finally to the cisterna chyli and then to the thoracic duct. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें एक लेवल याद करना है कि cisterna chyli का लेवल क्या होता है. It is present at the level of L1 and L2. In a previous video we have talked about the level of two parts that were celiac trunk and your portal vein. तो celiac trunk का लेवल होता है T T12 और पोर्टल वेन का लेवल होता है L2. समवॉट सिमिलर है तीनों, ठीक. सिस्टर्ना काइली का लेवल होता है L1, L2. सीलिएक ट्रंक ओरिजिनेट एट द लेवल T12 and portal vein originate at the level of L2 behind the neck of the pancreas. So this was the lymphatic drainage of the stomach. Then why the lymphatic drainage of stomach is so important? Because जो गैस्ट्रिक कार्सिनोमा होता है इट मोस्ट कॉमनली स्प्रेड थ्रू द लिम्फेटिक रूट, ठीक. अब वो गैस्ट्रिक कार्सिनोमा है जो वो स्प्रेड होके जाता कहाँ है, तो अगर वो लेफ्ट सुप्राक्लेविकुलर लिम्फ नोड में जा रहा है तो उसको बोलेंगे वर्चो नोड, और अगर लेफ्ट एंटीरियर एक्सिलरी लिम्फ नोड में जा रहा है तो उसको बोलते हैं आइरिस नोड, और अगर ओवरी में मेटास्टेसिस हो रहा है तो उसको क्रूकनबर्ग ट्यूमर बोला जाता है, और अगर पेरियम्बलाइकल रीजन में होता है देन इट इज नोन एज द सिस्टर मैरी जोसेफ नोड, और अगर पाउच ऑफ डगलस या कल्डी सैक में होता है तो उसको रेक्टल शेल्फ ऑफ ब्लूमर बोला जाता है. और ये पीजी एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो अभी हमने इसमें पढ़ा कि अगर लेफ्ट सुप्राक्लेविकुलर लिम्फ नोड में होता है तो उसको वर्चो नोड बोला जाता है. तो पीजी एंट्रेंस में जनरली सेम नेम की चीजें अक्सर पूछी जाती हैं. तो जैसे इसमें वर्चो नोड होता है वैसे एक हमारे पास वर्चो ट्रायड होता है. तो वर्चो ट्रायड, रिमेंबर इट इज प्रेजेंट इन DVT, that is deep venous thrombosis. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like it.